Hello everyone. I've been using Python to solve some coding challenges, but it never occurred to me to check the style guide. So I googled for a Python style guide and found a Google Python style guide, and this is it. And first things first is I want to know how Google uh, structures their Python language code base. So I'll try this Pylint over my code and see if it helps me. Okay. By the way, this code base is basically my solution to a factorial problem. The top one is the recursion and the approach, and the other one is the iterative approach. Let's go ahead and check out this Pylint. Factorial. Yes, now we do get a lot of useful warnings or errors, I guess. So I've been using 4 spaces, but in some of the coding challenge environment, I've been seeing 2 spaces, and I got lazy to keep fixing it, but looks like Google uses the 4 spaces instead of 2. So let's quickly fix that. Just gonna hit tab, 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 tab again here, tab again there, tab here, another nested, tab here. Let's see if that removes the bad indentation. Okay. I still have line, this one, and then line 2 should be good. Okay, missing module docstring and missing class docstring. Oh, let's search that. Docstring is a string literal that occurs at the first statement in a module, function, class, or method definition. Such a docstring becomes the underscore underscore doc underscore underscore special attribute of that object. So an example of a one-line docstring, I'll show you. So here you go. Okay, let's try to use that then. So triple quotes, double quotes, solution class, solution. Can't really name this that much. This one is, let's say, factorial recursive approach. And let's see, this one, factorial iterative approach. Let's see. Let's try to see that. Missing module docstring. Should I put something here as well? Solution for factorial. Okay, so it does work there. Bad indentation, found 18, expected 20. So I think this is the one. Nope. No, not that one. Line number 20. This one. Okay, and does not conform to snake case naming. Okay, invalid name. Well, maybe it wants a word. Let's try to change that to num instead of n. Let's see, n to num. Let's see if it changes. Great. Unnecessary else after return. No else return. Okay, this one makes sense. It saves up line of code. built-in sum, redefine built-in. Oh, it's a built-in. Never occurred to me. I was using other stuff like list. I know it's a built-in, but it was highlighting here. It never occurred to me that this was a built-in. Thank you, Pylint. Let's change that to something better. Actually, this should be result, not really sum, because factorial, even multiply. We should have maybe put like product. That's a variable bad naming, I guess. Return that result. Okay, fact iterative does not conform to snake naming. Let's change that as well. Snake naming is basically lowercase, and you insert underscore between words. N, line 16. Here. Redefining local name num, not defined. 18 to 20. Local name num. Method could be a function, no self-use. Is this number 10? Return outside function, return outside function. I think this should be here. Let's check that first again. I use num here. I put the num in the stack and the meaning in the list. I use this to get the last element, and for every num, I get what you're saying. For every item, let's do item instead. Would that like it? There you go. Method could be a function, no self-use. What could this be? Method could be a function, no self-use. Time to Google that. May need one more argument. Let me try to skip that first, as I still don't know how to fix that. Oh, constant naming, uppercase naming style. There we go. Let's see. Hooray, only one. Let's see, how do I fix that? Moving it to function, doesn't touch. How about putting a space here? Would that work? Adam. Method could be a function. Should be a static function instead. Let's try. Don't know if this decorator would help. Nope. How about So basically, in the Pylint message here, it says that a method could be a function is used when there is no reference to the class, suggesting that the method could be used as a static function instead. If the class method does not reference any of the class attributes, it may be more clear to define the method as a static function instead. So attempt by using either decorators, add class method, and not static method. Let's see. Decorator, you put it on top of your function. Let's see. App. Nope. Nope, 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 nope. What if we remove the self? There you go. Mm. Okay, that should be not the case, I guess. Should I just leave that hanging there? And just leave that hanging there. Let's see. Calling a static method Python. Can I just use this and remove this? Alright, so I think that's what it wants. May have to look more deeper into this because like usually use the self in coding challenges, but there you go. Simple way to start building best practices to build your Python code using again the Google Python style guide. Thank you. Till next time.